Hello YouTubes. I caught you out, didn't it? Thought I'd say hello so I didn't sound so Wiltshire. Anyway, this is the job that we've got to do. It's a 2 Series Gran Coupe and it's in for, I've got a repair on this door to do. I don't know if it shows up too well, but it's all bowed in here and kinked out here. The rest of this feature line's okay, and then it's all dented in here. I don't know if it shows up too well on the camera. Oh, it's all buckled in here as well, I never noticed. So yeah, it's a little bit nasty. It's even moved a little bit up here. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a tricky repair. So we've got the door to do, so door to repair and blend into the adjacent panels, quarter panel on the door. And we've got a little smart repair to do down here on the bottom of the bumper, so we'll blow that in somewhere. Probably just blow it in up here, to be fair, instead of getting involved with all of the grills and stuff around there. And then we've also got trim to try and fix if we can. We're not sure yet. It's all pushed in and split a little bit. So yeah, that's what we've got to do on this job, and this job's for another video, so I won't talk about the other job that's on the stand. So yeah, that's what we've got to do. So yeah, first thing is I'll get it all cleaned down, and then assess that door a bit more and start pulling that door out before we do anything else. And once I start pulling that door out and get it sort of near filler stage, and then we'll strip the bits off the blend panels. So yeah, that's what we've got to do. So I'll get all set up and get cracking on. Right then YouTubes, that's the 2 Series Gran Coupe door all repaired now and in primer. So I'll give you a quick look. It's not too bad, it's come out okay. I wouldn't say it was perfect, but I think it's alright. It was quite, I did find it a bit tricky, the repair. Obviously it's a bit hard to see now in primer, but yeah, the line's gone in up okay, and it doesn't feel too bad. There's a lot of shapes going on this panel, so yeah, I did struggle a little bit with it, but I think it's going to be okay. There's a fair bit of primer on there, so got a little bit more to go with blocking it. So that's it for this video. This is just the repair stage on this job. So all the repairs done. I've prepped up the rest of it, and it's stripped and in primer now, obviously. So that'll be it for this video. I'll do another video for the painting stage of it. Split this one up into two parts. So yeah, that's the repair stage done, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.